Yep. All right, so find the length of x and y if angle x is 83 degrees and angle y is 35 degrees and side z is 26 inches. So if I'm looking at this question, I have two angles and one side, and I'm asked to find the other sides, right? So which one do you want to start with? Solving for side x? Okay, so let's solve for side x. To solve for side x, what do I need? I need to find angle z first, right? So because that's the only side that I have, and I need to have the angle corresponding to it. So to solve for angle z, excellent. Excellent. If you're going to do minus bracket. Okay, so now I know that angle z is 62 degrees. And I'm looking for x, that's a 2. So what ratio do I use? Yep. So z and x. So z over sine z equals x over sine x. Let's fill in the information. Side z is 26 equals x over, excellent.
Okay. When you're talking about ratio, what do you exactly mean by ratio? Formulas?
Yeah. A ratio means something divided by something else. Okay? And because I have something divided by something, that's a ratio. Okay? Half cross multiply, so that gives you times sine 83 over sine 62. What do you guys get for this? 25.8?
No.
Oh. That's your final answer?
Yes.
Yeah, so you did the numerator, then you divided. That's fine. Okay, now I found side x, or side x. Now I have to find side y. Okay, now you have the option of using, now you have the option of using either the x ratio or you can use the z ratio. I always personally like to use the information that is given to me and not the information that I found, just because, in case you're wrong, so you don't carry that mistake. Okay, which I personally, when I'm marking, I will carry your mistake. I will not keep penalizing you for the same mistake over and over and over again. Okay, you'll lose marks if you made the mistake here, but then I will carry your mistake here, and then I'll give you the mark accordingly, so you won't lose marks again. Okay. All right. So if I'm using z again, so it's going to be z over sine z equal to, excellent, and 26 over sine 62 equal to y over, again, half cross multiply. But sometimes you can't, right? You have to use the information that is that you found in order for you to be able to solve, right? What do you get for this? Now, you always go back and look at your answer, okay? So if I look at my triangle, 16.9 is the one across from the smallest angle, right? 83 degrees is my largest angle and has the largest side, which is 29.2. This is how it's supposed to be. The largest angle is going to have the largest side. The smallest angle is going to have the smallest side. Okay? So 35 is going to have 16.9, which is the smallest side of all the three. If that's not the case, that means you've done something wrong. Go back and check your work. Okay? Are we good with that?